Hey guys, welcome back to the Snap Ring Chronicles. Today we got something a little bit different, not your usual ratchet video, but we have some wrenches. Okay, before we start, as always, if you like my stuff and you're interested in this type of content, could you give me a like, share, and a subscribe? I'm trying to grow this channel, and your support will be, really appreciate it. There's some guys who have come aboard, and they're pretty much regulars, and they subscribed, and they comment on my videos, and just want to let you guys know I really appreciate your comments. Thanks a lot. Okay, today we have a set of ratcheting wrenches from Parkside. This is the metric combination ratcheting wrench set. Okay, Parkside is a brand of a store. It's a supermarket called Lidl. That's I guess they're pretty much opening a bunch of stores all over the place, because in my neighborhood alone I've seen like 2 pop up in like the last month or 2. And they have a section inside the supermarket where they have just like house stuff, tools, clothes, gardening stuff. So it's not just groceries. So every time I go, since there's one like literally like across the street from where I live, I stop in the tool section and see what they have. And this time I stopped and I checked out this wrench set. Okay. So this is a combination set. You got the open side, and then you have the box ratcheting side. I have 17 millimeter, 14, 10, 8, and 13 millimeter. And they have this little display here where you can try it in the store. You just put your finger in there, and you can see the little dial there. It goes around. So that's like a little gimmick they have. Alright, let's open these up. Yeah, like I was saying, here's the little display where it has the little dial that goes around. It says 5% arc swing, and I believe these are 72 teeth. Each of these. Let me take them out of this package. Okay, like I said, these are Parkside, and I don't see anything here on the back about a warranty. It doesn't have anything about if they have any warranty. From what I heard online, they have like maybe a 3-year warranty. I'm not sure. I don't know where you would do. I guess you would take it back to the store if they were broken, but I don't know how long that's good for. And the question is, where is it made? It says made in China, not Taiwan, China. Okay, here's the 17 inch. That's the ratcheting side. It doesn't have a switch on these. I guess you just turn them over. It has a. These are laser etched with Parkside and the size 17 millimeter, and it shows the direction with the arrow of how it ratchets, and then on the back it gives the opposite arrow of how it ratchets. And it's laser. Each one is laser etched with "Made in China" and an IAN number there. These are chromed. Doesn't seem too bad of a chrome job. I mean, not the best either, but not too shabby. And we have 5 here in the set. Like I said, you got the 8, 10, 13, 14, and 17. The only thing I thought was strange is there's no 12, because 12 is pretty popular. And we have this 13. I think they should have done a 12 instead of a 13, but that's the way it goes. This whole set was $12.99 for these 5 wrenches, which to me that seems like a pretty good deal. I was looking at Harbor Freight and their combination ratchet box open wrenches. They have sets of 7, and the price for the 7 is $24.99. So about twice as much as this set. And they had a colored set that was color coded. It had 6 wrenches, and that was also like, I think that was $23.99. So for the price, I don't think this is a bad set. Considering, I don't know, I haven't used them yet, but they seem okay. I mean, they don't look like the worst set out there. So, I don't know. Time will tell how good they are. And like I said, if the price is a good price, but the warranty is kind of like, who knows. And their merchandise kind of fluctuates. Like you might go there this week and they might have this set, and you go there 2 weeks later and they'll have some other tools and you won't see this set anymore. So that's another thing. Like if one of these were to break and you were to take it back, I don't know what they would give you. I guess if you had your receipt, you can get probably get your money back, hopefully. But I don't know. That's kind of a mystery. Like I said, when I checked online, I saw somewhere where they were saying it was something like a 3-year warranty on some of the tools, and I'm not sure which ones, because they have electric tools, they have drills, they have hand tools, so I don't know. Well, alright guys, that's my review of this Parkside 5-piece metric combination ratcheting set. Alright, till next time, bye.